Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna cucumber salad full guide. Start by draining tuna, slicing cucumbers thin, and whisking olive oil with lemon, salt, and pepper. Gently fold tuna into cucumbers, add chopped herbs, and adjust seasoning to taste. I'll show measurements, timing, and 2 variations for creamier or lighter textures. Stay tuned for plating ideas and storage tips so your salad stays fresh and tasty. Measure ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Drain tuna well and slice cucumbers into half moons for consistent texture. Combine oil and lemon first so the dressing emulsifies easily, then taste and balance acidity with salt. I'll explain optional tweaks for protein boost or lower sodium and how to chop quickly without bruising cucumber. Follow my pace, and you'll have a great salad in minutes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes or cookbooks anywhere so convenient, and it pairs nicely with relaxed kitchen time. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can learn more about the device. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by prepping vegetables and dressing so everything is ready to combine smoothly. Toss cucumbers with dressing to let them marinate briefly while you flake the tuna. Add onions or capers now if using, then fold tuna in gently to keep the salad chunky. Taste and adjust seasoning, then plate with fresh herbs or a lemon wedge. I'll share 2 serving suggestions next, one light and one heartier, for any appetite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.